Okay, so I'm going to show you a little bit about Loom. Ironically, I'm recording using Screencast-O-Matic to make a video about how to use Loom because reasons. Alright, so I've logged into Loom and I went into my workspace. Takaya invited me to hers. That was a troubleshooting thing. I'm in my workspace now, and you can see that I have one video here, it should be, that I've made in the past. There it is. You have a personal library, a shared library, and a team library. One way that you could share a video is if you invite your teacher to your team and library and then stick your video in there. If you've already made one in your personal library, you could move it by clicking the buttons here and then putting it in a new folder here. You could even create new folders here. So that's how that works. When you record a video, one of the main problems I'm seeing is that when you record your video, if you have sound in your presentation, such as a YouTube link that you've put in your slideshow, we can't hear it. That's because you haven't shared your computer audio. So when you click record a video, you're going to need to make sure that you have shared everything, your screen and your camera. Now it won't let me do that because currently I'm I'm recording a video using Screencast-O-Matic, so that's a little weird. You can change images here to make it larger and smaller. I would really make it the smallest, but that way it doesn't interfere with your presentation. You can move it around if you need to. If during your presentation you notice that it's in the way of important text, you can move it while you're recording. So something that I would do is I would make sure that you share your full desktop. That way if you have to navigate away from the main tab you're on, it will still show it. That's all really that you need to do. It should share your computer audio automatically. Boop. Alright, so hide that. I'm going to start recording. Make sure that you select that you want to share your entire screen. And now it's going to start my recording, which is a little awkward because I'm already doing one on Screencast-O-Matic. But see, it only gives me a 5-minute limit, but you guys probably have longer. You guys just created your accounts. You can move around yours, like I said, you can move this around while you present. Let's see what these 3 buttons down here do. Oh, it hides the menu. Okay. So I think really the main idea is that you guys need to just play around with your recording and get comfortable with it before you record your final presentation. I paused my recording and now I'm going to end it by clicking the check mark. Now let's look at how we share this document now, because I'm seeing a lot of people having problems sharing their Loom videos with their teachers. So now that I've finished this out, let's see what I can do with it. You can trim it. Let's see what else you can do. We can take this off. That's not necessary. We want the viewer to be able to download that. So we'll save those settings. You don't really have to do any of that. No, you don't want to do that. Okay, so we could do a few things here. We could download it I might want to rename this. So let's do that. I'm going to rename it so it's more clear what I'm doing. So that's one way you could do it. You could download it. Now the problem is I already renamed it, so let me try downloading that again. Boop. Alright, you see now it's giving me the right name because I renamed it. Anyways, you don't need to change the access and control. Let's see what happens. Now I'm going to go to my download here. No, I don't need that. I need to go to my file explorer. Whoop. Move that. Ah! I need to go to my file explorer, but it's not letting me because I have this open. Aha! Here we go. Found it. I don't need Internet Explorer or Edge. Here we go. Boop, boop. Now go to my downloads because I downloaded this thing. Here it is. Okay, so that's my video now. I'm going to go ahead and save it because it's on my computer now. I'm going to save it to my drive so that I can access it everywhere I am. Come on, computer. It's being real slow. File upload. There are my downloads. That's the one I did there. And here now it's going to download to my drive. This makes it easier to share with your teachers and stuff. But really, this is an alternative way to share it. But the best way is to give us the link. So if you just hang tight here, I'll go back to that in a second. Boop. Alright, so why don't I copy the link? I'm going to send it to myself. Aha, yeah, I lost my USB to this thing. Come on. There it is. Alright, so I'm going to send this to myself. Okay, Bullock. Boop. Loom link. Alright, see, now I've sent that to myself. Wait for it. Wait for it. It's trying to send it to me because I clicked the copy link, and then it's gonna be in my email now. Just kidding. Let me go to my drive and see if the other one uploaded. Hey, it did. So this is my alternative way to share it. I guess I'll right click it. Click share. My computer's really slow, I'm sorry. Boop. Let me just send it to myself. And notify me. That means I'll get an email. So I should be getting 2 emails now, one from Google Drive and one from myself because of Loom. Why didn't it send? That's weird. Boop. Send that again. Refresh. And there's the one from Drive because you can see it says via, probably Google Drive. So now it's shared with me that way because I saved it to my drive by downloading it first to my computer and then uploading it to Drive. Why is it not sending? I'm having issues with Google not wanting me to be able to send something here. It says it's sent now, so let me see. There it is. So that's another way I've shared it. Okay. That should be very easy. Let's see if I got sound here.
On-screen cast-o-matic.
There it is. I have sound.
Let's see.
Alright. Let's look at another way we can share, which is using Team Drive. Okay, so I'm going to share it to my Team Drive. See, it says it's in my team library. Boop. And there it is. Is it still my personal? it is not. So I want to move it back to my personal library. Well, let's just save it to my team library. Let me see if I can share my team library with someone. Let's see. Error fetching pending workspace invites. Dismiss. No. I need to share this with somebody, but it's not letting me right now. Okay, well, maybe if I share my team library with someone. Probably with Gmail is what you do here. Let's see. Sorry, thank you for your patience with my slow computer. Okay, that's another way to do it, yeah. Send that. And it says message sent, so I can close that out. Whoop, whoop. Go back to my email, refresh. There it is. Oh my gosh. So really, it's quite straightforward. There are many ways you can go about this. There it is. Okay, so that's that. Now, if you have any questions about Loom, please email me at kbullock@hcs.k12.nc.us. I'm going to stop my video now, if I can figure it out.